Hi everyone, this is Sharmi Muhkerjee. I'm the Director of Rehab at Washington Outpatient Rehab Center, and I'm also a physical therapist and mainly a weekend runner. Due to COVID-19, gyms and workout centers have been closed, and because of that, a lot of people recently have taken up running. And we've noticed that amongst family, friends, and patients, an increase in muscle injuries and aches and pains. We're wondering if not doing the right warm-up routine is contributing to that problem. Hence, all I wanted to do is educate everyone on how to do some quick warm-ups. It doesn't have to take a lot of time, just 2 to 3 minutes before you start running. And then at the end of it, some static stretching, which is very important also. And I will demo all of that to you right now. So to begin with, before you start running, you just want to do some very quick exercises. So I'm going to first start with something we call a Frankenstein walk. It's basically for your hamstrings. So all you're doing is just doing a long kick, keeping the knee completely straight, and keep going. You don't have to do more than 15, 20 of these. That should suffice it. So that's your Frankenstein walk. Next I'm going to do is high knees. Again, it doesn't have to be too many. Next would be butt kickers. It is exactly what it sounds like. You're trying to kick your butt. Next would be something we call karaoke. So you're just doing a lateral motion, keeping your upper body straight as much as you can. Then we have your basic jumping jacks. Again, this is to get your major muscles warmed up and to get your heart rate going up a little bit. So when you start your jog, you're actually not fatiguing the muscles right away. So, all right, this is a little hard to demo and talk. Once you've done with your run, and it doesn't have to be that long, it could be a mile, 2 miles, 5 miles, 8 miles, whatever you would like. Start slow. That is important. Don't ramp up your miles right away, really quickly, because that can also cause a lot of injuries. The next you would want to do at the end of your run is some static stretching. So I'm going to start with, again, your major muscles. So first we'll just do a figure of 4 stretch. You can hold on to something if you want. Your leg has to be above your knee. Make sure you're not on the knee. And just go down as far as you can. Again, you can hold on to something for support or just go ahead and do your own stretch. Wow, I got out of breath. Both sides, each stretch, hold for at least 30 seconds, if not more. Next would be simple quad stretch. Again, hold on to something for balance. I don't have anything here, and I have some practice with this, hence I'm not holding on to anything. But make sure you're not falling because you're trying to do a single leg stretch. And then we have the IT band stretch. This is very important. Make sure you have the leg you want to stretch behind, and then you're going to stick your hip out and just do that nice and slow. This stretch is very important for your hip and your knee. Again, you're going to hold each for at least 30 seconds. And then the last one would be a hamstring stretch. You're keeping the knee completely straight and trying to touch your toes. Might have to edit that. And that's all that I have. So you have your dynamic warm-ups. Go ahead, do your run, and then you're going to do some static stretching. Now, you have to make sure you're cross-training as well. So squats are very important. Planking is very important. Standing on your toes, just heel raises up and down, and doing some single leg balance. This actually helps your running position and your running posture too, and prevents your hips from taking the brunt of it when you're running. That's all I have for right now for everyone. Please stay safe and happy running. Thank you.